My name is Nathan. I come from all the way from Washington State. I chose UGA because I was interested in furthering my career in science. UGA was a great select for that because of the ILS program. It allowed me the opportunity to try a wide variety of different disciplines and rotate through up to 3. I'm going to even do 4 labs to really find what fits for me, what I'm most interested in science.
The benefit to the students for a large umbrella program like the ILS program is that we have over 200 faculty in 14 different graduate programs that students can select from to do their thesis research. They spend their first semester rotating through 3 of those labs in any one of those programs, and then at the end of the first semester can select which graduate program they want to do their thesis research in.
And the problem with graduate education in the US is that we're stuck with a format that it was invented in the 1950s when we had botany and zoology. And that's not what modern scientists do. And what we really do is use techniques from all over the biological sciences and use model organisms from anywhere from plants to insects to microbes. And we're not stuck in those departments anymore. So students can find out who's doing the research that they're interested in, or if they're not really sure, they have a general area, they can come in and rotate through labs and get a sense of where they might really want to end up without worrying about what the title of the actual department is that they'd end up in.
That's really why I'm attracted to the ILS. I'm really interested in just so many different things in the field of science, all the way from stem cells. My background is actually in cancer. Currently I'm working in the Wells Lab for glycobiology. And I'm just fascinated in so many things. The ILS program gave me the opportunity to try all of them.
One of the best examples is my own area, which is evolutionary biology. If you want to study evolution, you have no idea where to go at the University of Georgia. There's nothing with the title evolution. And so there are faculty in plant sciences, there are faculty in entomology, there are faculty in genetics. We have a huge, one of the world's best groups of evolutionary biologists, but it's spread across 5 or 6 different departments. And so by having a graduate entry point where people can see who's available in a particular interest area, it's much more attractive, much better for the students.
Before I applied to graduate school, I was very interested in cancer research. And the university does have a cancer center, but it's kind of dispersed amongst multiple departments. And she told me about ILS. I saw that that gave me even more freedom because since the cancer department's kind of spread over multiple departments, why not apply to a program that would let me look at multiple departments? I definitely knew when I rotated through both labs that I had found the perfect fit between the two. And that's really important when you do your rotations. You get to your lab and you realize this is my fit and this is where I need to be.
I think that the ILS program is good for the students because it improves their choice in labs that they're able to go into, but it's also good for the departments and it's good for the university because it improves our ability to recruit the best students to UGA.